Hi there, welcome to today's market analysis. For today's session over here, we'll be looking at gold, Bitcoin, as well as Ethereum. So let's get started with gold over here. Okay, since last week we mentioned about this, the market hasn't really been moving much, to be very honest. Okay, what we can observe over here is that we do have a little bit of a pullback, but if we start to go to the higher time frame daily scale, you do see that the market is pulling back. Overall, it's still maintaining below this structure level. This entire trend line over here hasn't been broken back up. So as of now, we're going to maintain a bearish bias until proven otherwise. Okay. So if you're looking at gold over here, I would personally suggest that you want to continue to look for more downside. Of course, you can go back to the forward time frame and look for any sell opportunity that fits into your plan, into your strategy. You can look for this to hit slightly lower towards 1752 area. Okay, as a potential sell target over here. Now the next one we have is on Bitcoin. Okay, so going higher to the daily time frame. We do see Bitcoin started to bounce above the 32,945 zone. Okay, it's still a little bit too early to say if this is going to be the recent bottom or the market can hit lower. Simply because if you take a look at the forward time frame, right, this bounce up seems to be lacking the momentum for more upside. And we kind of see that price is really starting to stall around that 38950 zone. Okay, and wasn't really able to break through it with momentum and with the impulse move. So there's a good chance what we can expect from here is that Bitcoin would likely perhaps come lower and retest the bottom. Whether it's going to break through that, we need to see the momentum as it's coming down and as price is developing. Okay, so for now, I would say if you are looking at short-term trade opportunities, then you want to focus primarily on the downside. If you are perhaps looking for some accumulation on the crypto, then you might want to be patient and wait for it to reach perhaps back towards 32,950 before looking at whether you have an opportunity to get involved in it. Now another one here is Ethereum, which is rather similar to Bitcoin. I would say in a way they are correlated, right? Both are cryptos. So same thing over here, we can see that the market is doing this, okay, where we do have a break above that recent high, but it's not very impulsive in a way, right? In terms of the patterns that's developing, it's still pretty much, you can clearly see like a flag, like consolidation. So this suggests that there's a higher probability that Ethereum can reach back towards 2159 low. Okay. So same thing over here, if you're looking for a short-term trade, then my suggestion is you want to focus on the downside because the probability is going to be higher. However, if you're looking for longer term accumulation, then maybe just be patient and see if price comes back towards 2159. That would be a much better area to start considering. Alright, so that's all for me for this particular session over here. For those of you trading, just a gentle reminder to always manage your risks. These are definitely more volatile assets compared to some of the commonly traded ones. So all the best, and I'll see you guys in the next video.